Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Liki Mahendra, and I'm a student in Mechatronics Engineering at Politeknik Industri ATMI Cikarang. Today, I'd like to take you on a journey through my career plan, my background, and how I prepare myself for the future. This presentation will cover three main parts. First, I will cover who I am and what I've done so far. Second one, what I plan to do after graduation. And the third and last one will be how I will achieve my 5-year career goal. Now let's begin by getting to know who I am. I am someone who is deeply passionate about automation, robotics, and system development. I've always believed that technology should solve problems and make life easier for people. At ATMI, um, I've maintained a strong GPA of 3.86 and focused on both academic theory and practical hands-on projects. So here's my key projects. First, on the far right, upper right picture, it's me designing a power monitoring system using ESP32 as a controller and PZEM sensors as the sensor for the system. Integrated with Node-RED for dashboard and computing, and MySQL for data storing. I also have developed a fully automatic packaging system using Siemens PLC, two of them, HMI or HMI, conveyors, six conveyors, color sensors, and a Mitsubishi robotic arm. As we can see, I have programmed a robotic arm on the left, the pictures that is on the far left, and the second from the left one is me with the six conveyors, two PLCs, and um, HMI. And I've also worked on electrical installations, including timers, relays, AC motors, and real industrial logic circuits. I also operated CNC milling and lathe machines at the Asai Metal, where I also contributed as a PLC programmer. Beyond the technical skills that I have, I also have organizational experience. I was the president of Leo Lumine, an international nonprofit where I led over 60 members in projects like breast cancer awareness campaigns, park cleanups, free medical checkups, and helping people who've been through natural disasters by providing them with medications and food, drinks, water, and everything that they need to excel their growth again. And I also have made a documentary about social issues. My last documentary that I've made uh, with my organization is about breast cancer. It's called Don't Suffer Alone. So with the mix of technical and leadership experience, helped me grow into someone who can not only build system, but also I can also lead people. So here's my plan after graduation. I have multiple unique plans that combines both continuous learning and entrepreneurship. My strategy is built on three simple but powerful steps. First, I will learn. I will take short courses. I don't I don't mind if I have to buy it too. I will buy short courses in specialized area like AI-based automation, embedded systems, machine learnings, or humanoid robotics. These are few fields that where the future of technology is heading. So I am planning on to learn and be the one who's first in Indonesia, where I can lead the market, lead in the market. So I planning on taking short courses outside Indonesia and apply that learning, that the things that I've learned from outside Indonesia, and I will produce. That will take us to the second strategy, which is produce. I will apply the skills I learned to develop real world systems or products. For example, automated delivery bots, robots, um, what I'm going through right now or what I'm making right now is which we call AMR. Those are the robots which could take on 400 kilograms of weight and bring them everywhere because it will have two wheels with a LiDAR sensor and AI embedded in it in the controller. So, but my future is vast and technology as we know it is growing very fast, growing very fast. So we'll learn a lot. I will produce a lot too, and hopefully we're gonna go to the third strategy, which is to sell the product. The products that I um, have made through learning and producing it um, will be commercialized and it will help me earn more capital. And in a long-term goal, I will build another set of products and another systems by buying courses again. So in short, I don't want to just work. I want to create value for this country, solve problems, and eventually build a better place, a better life in Indonesia. If I work, um, if I choose to work first, my dream role would be to become the Chief Executive Officer of PT Asai Metal, which is my family's company. PT Asai Metal has been focused on used machines and component fabrication, and I want to lead its transformation to a modern company that offers automated industrial solutions and lead lead market leading the market of technology in Indonesia. I believe with my background in mechatronics, my project experience, my leadership, and my sheer will to lead the market will bring me to this position and success. What are the requirements to become a CEO? In my no to my knowledge, there's a lot. To be honest, there's a lot, but I will try to compile it into simple terms and simple sentences. So first, it will be the leadership ability, um, proven by my experience of leading a global nonprofit. And then there's strategic thinking, which I've developed through project planning and execution. Communication skills, as I've given seminars and organized awareness campaigns. Industry knowledge gained through real world projects and hands-on training in my at my Politeknik ATMI Industri Cikarang. I gradually building all these qualities one step at a time. So I have many strengths, but one of my greatest strengths is problem solving, especially when it comes to technical challenges. I'd like to share an example using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. So in the situation is in my um, third year at ATMI, I was assigned to build an automated packaging system using PLCs and sensors and robotics. The challenge was to synchronize six conveyors, color sensors, and a SCADA robot to sort, place products accurately. I created the control logic from scratch using two Siemens S7 300 PLCs and wrote the program for everything about the system. The HMI I also made for it for the system too. The system operated smoothly with high accuracy, and it was recognized by our lecturers by one of the most successful integration project of the batch. This experience showed me the importance of planning, persistence, and precise execution. Now, I'll be honest, my main weakness is perfectionism. I tend to spend too much time polishing every little detail, which sometimes affects deadlines. To handle this, I've started using time boxing techniques, setting clear deadlines for myself, and dividing tasks into essential and nice to have components. For example, when I'm designing a dashboard system, I stop to make it look beautiful first, but instead, I focused on making it functional and refined it gradually. So here's my 5-year plan. Looking at 5 years ahead, my plan is to take short courses, get internationally recognized certifications, and build specific skills, and developed. Now I will develop and launch market-ready mechatronic products such as automation kits or now humanoid robots. Why humanoid robots? Because I've watched um, a conference by NVIDIA where the CEO of the company, Jensen Huang, said that the next trillion-dollar company, the trillion-dollar industry is humanoid robots. So I so I have a goal to learn it fully. When I successfully learned it, and then I will build system of the humanoid robots, I will sell it and do the cycle where I will learn, I will produce, and then I will sell. And then I will learn again with more capital. I will produce again, and I will sell again. Learn again, produce again, and then sell again, and so on and so forth until maybe I will be pensioned until I'm old. Um, yeah, so my long-term ambition is to build a company that leads in technology in Indonesia, a company that designs and sells automation and robotic systems for education and industry, especially for Indonesia's growing smart factory demand. I am ready for it. Yes, I'm ready. Over the past few years, I've developed technical foundation, leadership experience, and the vision to take on real-world challenges. To prepare, I constantly learn from failure. I seek feedback from professionals and stay updated with the latest technology in this and what in the industry here needs. I don't see the graduation of university is as the end of my journey of learning. Instead, I see it as the starting point of my real contribution by learning more and producing and make this country a smarter place. In conclusion, my career plan is about more than just getting a job. It's about building a life of purpose through learning constantly, creating real-world solution, leading people towards impact. Whether I work in a company or start my own, my mission is to solve meaningful problems with technology. Thank you so much for listening to my journey and career plan. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer down in the comments below. Thank you for listening once again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.